Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. In this quick tutorial video, I will show you how to format a drive on your Mac. The formatting process can help you prepare a new drive for use, erase all the data, or change the file system. Before you begin, make sure to copy and save any important data from the drive, as the formatting will erase everything on the drive. As always, without further ado, let's get started. Step number 1. Open Disk Utility. Press Command Space to open Spotlight Search. Type Disk Utility and press Enter. Once Disk Utility is open, you'll see a list of all connected drives on the left sidebar. Click on View, Show All Devices. Select the drive or volume you want to format. Be sure to choose the correct drive or volume, as formatting will erase all data on it. For example, I'm always double-checking the name of the physical drive I want to erase. In my case, it's my silicon-powered 16GB flash drive and not any other hard drive connected to my Mac. I would even recommend disconnecting all other physical drives from your Mac to avoid errors. As you can see, my flash drive is shown as an external drive and it has only one volume. Make sure to select a physical drive name and not volumes. Let's erase it. Step number 2. Formatting a drive. With the correct drive selected, click on the Erase button at the top of the Disk Utility window. This will open the Erase tool interface. Enter a name for the drive. Choose the desired file format from the drop-down menu. For most Mac users, the APFS format is recommended. Note that APFS file format will be visible only on Mac computers. If you want your drive to be accessible on both Mac and Windows, make sure to select the exFAT format. If you want to password protect your partition, select the APFS encrypted format and set your password. Once you're satisfied with the name, size and file format, click on the Erase button at the bottom right corner of the window. A confirmation dialog will appear. Review the details and click Erase again to start the formatting process. Disk Utility will now format your drive. This process may take a few minutes. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status. Once completed, you'll see a message confirming that the drive has been successfully formatted. And that's it, your drive is now formatted and ready to use. You can click Done to finish and exit Disk Utility. Note that the erasing process will permanently delete all data stored on your drive. You can't undo this action, so make sure to save your data before erasing your drive. Congratulations, you've successfully erased a drive on macOS. If you found